Mwancho muligereri na ukwanire kuranda onsi ya sore Jumamosi ye chitariki 11 mutinyo yego 10 mwaka w'echilifu 2025 kwegokire nimero bere onsi ime Soko TV uburosi mu gusikuru bagakiete gwikira bonega na inde tokomerana eri onkomanyie amayase njira yobwenge asomo baso obono ikaranso ike wego tubwati gwetera senjira y'omutandao bwekerero Facebook robega sensemeri ya YouTube en Soko TV erietariane Ishmael Mogere. Aso muchakano omubaso obono omubere bw'omusacha oyo mubwe emyaka yegatwa nigo otokire aso uruchi gakwete ase chinjira chobotutukanwe kenyoro kya bituka ensemo ya kanyimbe bunge ya kitutu cha South emambia yeritukolia rero korengana na kirori nigo omubere oyo utaramanyekana asebo igo babulire serikali wesona nigati na gokora obotuki eri omusacha oyo amanywene ya matiae na kumanya nkikererete ogokwa kwae.
Samalieta gonkor ku John Makori kurwe kenyoleke kya bituka bone tole boundary ya muamanu bona wonde bituka bi awe bona nchigo narwe kanisa mambingo ikamwana yo muswati getogotira onde biukire tabu no mondo tokire rocha ngakimwamanyora ngaya na abana bali gotenya baminyokire bakwanire na igure tango gendorore amaene na ikire rocha na nyorire omonto na bokora araire angene nchira nkaro bona oranga kiaraire gotenyegeri bone tukumezi tutanya karoreke nkieke kiegendererete gatia bono etosinyiro sobwenge muntu na bokoro kero kenda abo goigia kabekuo ikiagara mache na maketa konyara gutirimbuki na nchirara ire buno rairo ko bakokua bono mutu ole gochienga koime nto konyara kumumanya goikira iga bono iga nturamumanya na atema gwetana gwake sirimbi distance y'abantu bakire batari bakembaraikira kumumanya bakabona iga ona tuwale kubulia serikali itari gotokorera obutuki tumanya nkieke ikiara gente nkianya gotobera arinde na gutatiganga kigete na ndo yondera arete tukuruare akabikwa ari gisararure distance kuru iteresiari abona aroje no twasinyiru ngange kana kieke serikali tugusaba gotokorera obutuki tumanya ngakiera anda tayombuade bona tiga tuganya abanyane sibakuruere kiagara gwikira bona iga taramanyeka
ase ayabwatikene no bochori oboke bwesibo bochori oboke bumutinyo gocha niga barwaneri banebekere gukyo bobunge no bwe MCN nsemo yebunge ya Malava ne ward ya Kisa East basiekero isko goche kuboria ebirogo byoborai aso gotakirania amachiko n'amarago yekiombe kyo bochori ne chimbebe imeyense.
Out of those 13, 11 were cleared and 2 were not cleared. The ones that were not cleared was Omuoma Erastus Matende of United Progressive Party and Amuko Moses Opembe of Party of Democratic Unity. The 2 of them did not appear for registration. Then in Malava, we had initially 11 aspirants, out of which 9 were cleared, while 2 were not cleared. Caleb Amondi Sunguti of Roots Party withdrew from the race, and Samuel Shetanda Luguru had issues. Issue number 1 is when he appeared before the Arrow, he appeared with a certificate from Republican Liberty Party, while in the system of RPP, He is a member of Peace and Development Party. Arrow allowed him, gave him time to go and can change to the Republican Party, because we advised you can change it online. But apart from that, he had some of them missing. He didn't have proposer and seconder. He didn't have the banker's check, the 20,000. Of the statutory forms from 15 and 19 and Electoral Code of Conduct, all of them were not signed by Commission of Oath. And he didn't even come with a flash disk where his picture was supposed to be. So the RO gave him up to 5 to come and appear, and unfortunately he didn't come back.
Asense muyende omokonyi bomurai bwense Professor Kithure Kindiki nigaseri tukuria rero airiro muroberi bugosira bananchi ensemo ya Chogoria ebunge ya Mara ase county ya Tharaka Nithi ase aboririe ukubwatirana kwa barai na bananchi erikoreta magenderero libaga liogokora siasa.
Na watu wanataka kutuingiza kwa siasa ya mapema. Wale ambao wanatuingiza kwa siasa ya mapema ni adui wa Tharaka Nithi County. Kwa sababu wakati wa siasa bado haujafika, siku ya siasa itafika. Ni kweli si kweli? Vile vile katika mambo ya kitaifa, tunajua kuna wale wanataka kukoroga wa Kenya. Tuingie katika siasa ya mapema, tupoteze wakati, badala ya kusukuma barabara, badala ya kujengea wananchi masoko, badala ya kuongeza stima, wanataka tuanze mambo ya siasa. Tumekataa siasa ya mapema. Tunataka tufanye kazi kwanza. Tujenge barabara zetu, tujenge madaraja yetu, tujenge masoko yetu, tuweke maji, tuweke stima. Siku ya siasa ikifika, tutafanya siasa. Ni kweli si kweli jameni? Ama nyinyi mnataka siasa jameni? Mnataka siasa? Si tusukumane na maendeleo? Mnataka nifanye kazi na viongozi wetu, tulete maendeleo hapa? MCS wetu, wabunge wetu, gavana wetu, tufanye kazi pamoja, alafu tutatafutana mambo ya siasa huko mbele. Vile vile katika ngazi ya kisiasa, siasa ya taifa, tumesema William Ruto apewe nafasi atimize ahadi kwa Wakenya, ahadi kwa watu ya Tharaka Nithi. We have no time for politics. This is the time to build our country. When the time comes for politics, sisi ni mafundi jameni. Sisi ni mafundi wa siasa. Siasa ikifika, tunajua ni waya gani ya kushika, tunajua tunashikanisha na gani, alafu kunakuwa fire. Fire si fire. Inoma si noma. Ni fire si fire. Inoma si noma. Tuendelee tusiendelee.
Asensemo yende burenchire yemo yokwene kyobo chenu mona asensemo yobosombi company ya Moja Eve Kenya nigo yachakire umuroberio bwokubasira bali bare ase sector yobosombi buna bantereba ase okoba usase okoba chigali chigotumeka chinguru cyomurero erikoreta mahoncherero ase obosombi kagokwana umuteneri bwe company eyu Eric Lumalaza nigatebire buna umuroberio yo nigo urachikokonya abantereba balia bagosiekiro isiko gukogora usikokora obogori ase nginchu yechisira babwate ase chibenge au imensi to ya Kenya.
It will start from the environmental perspective. We have committed to the COP 2020 where we said we need to reduce carbon emission. What is the largest carbon emitter in the country right now? Mobility, vehicles, all right? So if you can go EV, we reduce the carbon emission, at the same time, create employment. How do you create sustainable employment? By enabling these people to own their vehicles, instead of now looking for vehicles to drive that belong to other people.
We are looking at the corporate responsibility, the ESG, which basically is also looking at ensuring, one, that our environment is clean. We are giving green energy solutions through even agriculture. We're also doing the same now through transport industry, the transport sector. And actually, I would say This technology that has come in place is actually such a big technology that needs to be embraced.
Na wikira bwo mwancho murigireri no tugwikira mwerio bwa maya yechinsa isano na ibiri chabona bobaso asinjira yo winge kole nense ya moya botuko amone chinsa isato no chikomerana amone Clinton Ondege ako yaretera asinjira yo bwagarera asinjira yo bwimemono gendera gotengera Ensoko TV asemero beriende ya tigere yerituko lyabono asegati abaritu abwatara no kwene kina amalio gide chibichanko wikirare ngamo na berane ya chaka Felista Kabedi Roslyn Wanja amo na director Zack nakuganirio mubaso muya elietariane Ishmael Mogere.
Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Rumba music.
Ase miziki yabagaka eli abantu bakongire chinengo chakire kochoga ya rumba.
Momelia kenena poto, akenengo